How's it going? Anthony Hitchens here, and here's how I get ready for game day. I listen to calm music all the way into the stadium. Once I get there, I get all my clothes ready, get them spaced out right in front of my locker, and just close my eyes and just relax until the linebackers are ready to go out there. How do you get ready for the game? Whether you're coming out to the game or watching it from home, here's a good dish to try to get ready for a game. Today we're making pull-apart pigs in a blanket. Premade dough makes this so easy. I love this stuff. You gotta try this everything bagel seasoning. And just like that, we're ready for the oven. Let's get a little dipping sauce action. You can't mess this one up. Look at that, it's a work of art. A new Coca Cola Zero Sugar makes this perfect. It's almost game day. Get ready. And don't forget to pick up these ingredients. Some new Coca Cola Zero Sugar and all your game day needs at Hy-Vee.